हेलो स्टूडेंट वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मैथ विथ जीके रे। आज आम ओडिशार किछि साधारण ज्ञान बा साधारण जीके विषय किछिटा क्विज बा तमर जीके स्टार्ट करवा। ठीक अच्छे, प्रैक्टिस करवा। ठीक अच्छे, ओके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ ओडिशा? ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट आंसर, भुवनेश्वर। Question number 2, which language is mainly spoken in Odisha? Option C is correct answer, Odia. Question number 3, who is known as the first freedom fighter of Odisha? Option A is correct answer, Pakshi Jagabandhu Vidyadhara Brahmapura Mahapatra. Question number 4, which is the largest district of Odisha by area? Option B is correct answer, Mayurbhanj. Question number 5, which festival is famous in Puri? Option B is correct answer, Rath Yatra. Question number 6, which temple is known as the Black Pagoda? Konark Sun Temple. Option C is correct answer. Question number 7, who is known as Utkal Gaurav? Option A is correct answer, Madhusudan Das. Question number 8, which dance form originated in Odisha? Odissi. Option C is correct answer, Odissi. Question number 9, when did Odisha become a separate state? 1936 April 1. Option A is correct answer. Question number 10, what is the official emblem of Odisha? Lion of Konark. Option A is correct answer. Question number 11, which river is known as the lifeline of Odisha? Mahanadi. Option A is correct answer. Question number 12, which city is known as the silver city of Odisha? Cuttack. Option A is correct answer. Question number 13, who was the first chief minister of Odisha? Option C is correct answer, Hare Krishna Mahatma. Option C is correct answer. Question number 14, which is the highest mountain peak in Odisha? Option A is correct answer, Devmali. Question number 15, which district is famous of Chilika Lake? All of these. Option D is correct answer. Question number 16, which is the state animal of Odisha? Option B is correct answer, Sambardi. Question number 17, which minerals is abundantly found in Odisha? Option A is correct answer, iron ore. Question number 18, who is known as the father of modern Odisha? Madhusudan Das. Option A is correct answer. Question number 19, in which district in the Hirakud Dam located? Option A is correct answer, Sambalpur. Okay. Question number 20, what is the state flower of Odisha? Option C is correct answer, Asoka. Please support in your videos. Thanks for watching my videos. Please support my channel. So once subscribe. Thank you.